video, we are going to find out energy and or power of trigonometric function, which is a cosine term. So x of t is a cosine which is given as 3 cos phi omega 0 t. It is just a notation given for the frequency omega 0. So it's a cosine term, means it's a periodic signal. So let's find out energy and power. The energy of any signal is given by E infinity equals integral minus infinity to infinity x square t dt. Since there is no function which will limit the signal range, we need to find out integral over minus infinity to infinity. So if I square, I will get this signal. As we know, we cannot deal with a cos square directly. So what we will do, we will use a formula cos square theta, which is 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. So I'll write over here what is the formula used. Cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. So one more constant is developed, that is 1 by 2 taken out. So 9 by 2 integral minus infinity to infinity 1 plus cos 10 omega 0 t dt. And taking the integral of this, we will get t plus sin 10 omega 0 t upon 10 omega 0, limits are minus infinity to infinity. Let's put the limit. So E infinity equals 9 by 2 infinity plus anything multiplied by infinity give you infinity. So sin infinity upon 10 omega 0, if I apply upper limit, minus infinity, and over here sin minus infinity is minus sin infinity. So this will change the sign. And if I open up this bracket, I will get E infinity as 9 by 2 infinity plus sin infinity upon 10 omega 0 plus infinity plus sin infinity upon 10 omega 0. Now, sine of any angle, whether it is infinity, will always give you a finite number. This cannot go to infinity. So basically, these two terms are the finite number, but infinity is introduced. So in the end, whole expression will become equal to infinity. And I can say, since energy is not finite, given signal is not an energy signal. So we need to find out the power of a signal. Which is given by P infinity equal to limit t tend to infinity 1 upon 2t integral minus t to t x square t dt. So for our signal it will be nine cos square phi omega 0 t dt. I think we can use this part of energy calculation, which is absolutely similar over here except the limits. So if I use that directly, I will get integral of this as t plus sine 10 omega 0 t divided by 10 omega 0, limits are minus t to t. Let's apply the limits over here, which will give you p infinity as limit t tend to infinity 9 by 2t, and applying limits will give you so one thing over here is that whenever we solve this, one more 2 will be introduced, so that we need to take over here. So it is 9 upon 2t multiplied by 2. So in the end it will be 9 upon 2t multiplied by 2, limits applied are t plus sine 10 omega 0 t upon 10 omega 0 minus t, because there is a minus t term present, hence sine of minus angle is minus sine angle. So minus sine 10 omega 0 t upon 10 omega 0. If you solve this, you will get limit t tend to infinity 9 upon 4t. You can add these two terms, giving you this final expression. To this, we are going to apply the limits individually. So limit t tend to infinity 9 upon 4t multiplied by 2t plus limit t tend to infinity 9 by 4t multiplied by 2 times sine 10 omega 0 t upon 10 omega 0. So here is the capital T. So if you apply the limits over here, I can say t can be cancelled, because since t tends to infinity means t not equal to infinity, finite number can be cancelled out. For this, if we apply the limits by replacing t as infinity, you will get an answer sine infinity upon infinity, and sine infinity is a finite number. So in the end we will get finite number upon infinity. Anything upon infinity will be 0. So if you consider all this, I'll get p infinity as 18 by 4 plus 0, and 18 by 4 is nothing but 9 by 2. So power is a finite, hence given signal is a power signal. This is the end of a problem. Thank you.